Hello, my name is Patti Brown, and I'm with Stark State College. I'd like to show you the course that I submitted for the Exemplary Course Program with Blackboard. The course is an ethics course. It's a fully online course. I want to show you the navigation that we use at Stark State College. On the left navigation, you'll always see when you go into a course, a Start Here page. I'll show you that page in just a minute. We purposely made our navigation fairly simple. We're going to have also a lessons page that will have all the weekly lessons and anything related to the student learning. We also have course messages where students can message their instructor or they can message each other. We have the announcements page, which you'll notice is the page that I'm on right now. In this course, the announcements page is our landing page, because in Blackboard we can make any page we want to be our landing page. So for this particular course, announcements is my landing page. This is a welcome announcement to welcome students to the course to let them know the book that we're going to be using, contact information. I also have a video welcoming them to class, and a little more information about what's needed before week 1. And then I also have a course link directly to the Start Here page, trying to make the navigation very easy and simple for the student. We have a course calendar that the student will be able to view and is updated. My grades. We have text aid, which allows for help with reading content. Student Blackboard help, and this particular Blackboard help is help that we have created. We have a blog dedicated to students with a variety of step-by-step information and videos on how to perform certain tasks in Blackboard, like submitting assignments and posting in discussion forums. We also have a link to our digital library, our Stark State resources, student resources, a direct link to our help desk, and my survey dashboard for at the end of the semester when they do reviews. On the Start Here page, you'll notice that I have a video. This helps students as well to understand how to move through the course and what's expected. We also have a Blackboard orientation course that all students are required to take if they're going to take a hybrid class, which is a Web 2 in our terminology, or a fully online class, which is a Web 3. And we also have a Web 4, which is flexible learning. Any student taking that class for the first time must go through an orientation. However, I also offer a video tour orientation to my specific course as well. You'll notice that I have a general overview as an item so the student doesn't have to click on it, and they simply see it right here when they come in. I've also been able to personalize this using some coding in Blackboard. You'll notice then as we scroll down, there are a variety of pages like Welcome from Instructor, the syllabi, the book, and also information that's important like required software, technical skills, and academic support. When a student clicks on that page, they'll have a variety of information and other links that will take them to important information. And information is chunked up on different pages based on the information that we want to share with the student. After the student reviews everything on the Start Here page, they are encouraged to click on the Lessons page. Now, this particular page has all the weekly lessons that the student will need. Again, you'll notice that I also put a link to the video tour in case for some reason they bypass the Start Here. They're going to get the information here, which is going to tell them to go back to the Start Here. Notice that I have embedded the video. We do that for all our videos, so they could simply watch it here. However, they do have the option to click on here to go outside of Blackboard if they want to bookmark a particular video. I also use course achievements in this class. I like that because it's very encouraging for the student and it gives them some milestones that they can meet throughout the semester. My very first course achievement is based on the Syllabus Quiz. students have to complete a syllabus quiz in order for them to open the week 1 folder. You'll notice that week 1 is not available in this particular view because I have not taken the syllabus quiz. This is a good way to ensure that my students have a basic understanding of the syllabus and start here information. You'll notice that each week is a folder by itself. So we contain everything and we chunk up all our information into weekly folders. Each weekly folder is consistent. It will always have an overview of the topic that we're going to cover and anything else important they may need to know. In my particular class, I also add advice from other students from previous semesters on how to be successful in the course. We list the read and review, things that they need to do before they go to their forums or assignments. For our learning objectives, we very clearly in every week show the students how the weekly learning objectives for the week are aligned back to the course level learning objectives. Then in the materials folder, we have, again, everything chunked into different pages. Sometimes we'll have some really good web articles that the student needs to go to, or we'll have videos. And again, all of these videos are embedded and can simply be watched right here in Blackboard. And we have other documents as well. Then when the student goes into the same week, they will always see a materials and they will also see an assignments folder. We also have a chart showing how their assignments are aligned with their weekly learning objectives. If I have a new assessment that they haven't done before, I usually always have a video for them to do this particular quiz. And I have very clear instructions in their discussion forum, both on this link and then when they click on it as they get into the actual forum. And you'll notice everything that they need to do. As we go back to the lessons page, I want to show you one other thing that I like to do in this class. I have what are called check-in activities. These are simply tests in Blackboard that I have used the format of a test to actually have students check in with me, and I ask them a variety of questions on how they're doing in class. This allows me to get to know my students outside of the structure of graded assignments and simply as a way to encourage them and to find out how I can help them and how they're doing in class. In this particular class, we have 4 check-in activities, and they cover different areas. Like this one, for example, asks them to look at their grades and kind of see where they are and how they're going to be successful the rest of the semester. So we have 4 of these throughout the semester. And again, you'll notice that all our weeks are very similar. As we go in, we have the same concept in each week, which we believe is very helpful for the student to be consistent in the design of the course. And that's a short tour of this ethics course for the Exemplary Course Program with Blackboard.